architecture students, no? So at one point in time, guys, listen, at one point in time, this building won in an international competition. And I knew about it just recently. In fact, last January of this year, Madam Imelda Marcos was one of our guests here at the GSIS Museum. And she took advantage of donating that certificate given to this building when it won in an international competition. Kasi during the time of the Marcoses, that was the time they awarded that certificate to the Marcos family. So, since hindi naman daw niya magagamit yun, she decided to donate that certificate to GSIS to prove that this building won in an international competition. That certificate, you can find that certificate at the lower gallery, so we will go there later on when we move to the archives. Okay, so just to give you a little background, in fact, you know guys, guys listen! I have a high respect to Lasallians. So please listen first. We actually do not allow our visitors to take photos inside, but for some consideration, and since it was requested by popular demand by your professor, we will allow you to take photos, but then again, please remove the flash. So no flash photography. You're not also allowed to touch any of the artworks that you can find inside the museum. Okay, so I think that's very clear. We have CCTV camera all over the museum, so I hope you can cooperate with us, staff of the museum. We cannot talk about GSIS Museum unless we talk about the Parisian life of Juan Luna. Because the very highlight of the GSIS Museum is the Parisian life of Juan Luna. The title of the painting is Parisian Life, Life in Paris. But I'm sorry to say, the original has been transferred to the National Museum. So if you want to see the original painting of Juan Luna, entitled Parisian Life, it's at the National Museum at the 3rd floor. So what we have here is only a replica. The replica has actually the same size as that of the original, which was at the National Museum, which is at the National Museum. It was bought by GSIS for 46 million pesos way back in 2002. So, since we know very well that nag-appraise ang value ng artworks, so the appraised value of the artwork of that painting as of last year is 200 million. So, imagine from 46 million pesos in 2002 now, it's 200 million. So, there are only 2 experts all over the Philippines who has the right to appraise Juan Luna paintings. And one of them is my former professor at the College of Fine Arts in UP. His name is Professor Santiago Albano Pilar. And we asked the expertise of this person to appraise the value of the painting based on his knowledge, his know-how, and his expertise on Juan Luna paintings. The appraised value, his appraise of the value of the painting is 200 million as of last year. Okay, so the painting won. The painting is also an award-winning piece. We know that the Spolarium, which is at the National Museum, is an award-winning piece also by Juan Luna. If we are to talk about the first Filipino international achiever, it's Juan Luna, because he is the first Filipino who brought 2 gold medals in the Philippines when he won in an international art competition. And the Parisian Life of Juan Luna won also in an international art competition in a World Trade Exhibition Fair way back in 1904. It won 2nd place. Okay, and in fact, in that competition, Juan Luna is the only Filipino who joined that competition. Okay, so as we move on, the first thing that you can see here are the works of Rolly de Guzman. We got these paintings. His expertise is more on watercolor. Okay, so we got these paintings at Puerto Azul. So when it was closed down, because it's a foreclosed property of GSIS, when it was closed down, we were given the chance to retrieve these artworks. And some of the furniture, sets of furniture that you can find inside the museum, and some of the artworks, we also got them from Metropolitan Theater, and also at Coconut Palace and other foreclosed properties of GSIS. So I'm also proud to tell you guys that here at the GSIS, you can find the biggest mural ever created by Amor Solo. So if we are to talk about the biggest mural created by Amor Solo, it's here at the GSIS Museum. The title of the mural is The History of Philippine Music. Okay? So when we go down, you can find that mural. In fact, dalawa yung murals na yon. Yung isa, the title of the other one is The Ritual of Dance. But the Ritual of Dance is no longer original. It's already a commissioned copy from the original one. Because in 1972, the Ritual of Dance got lost. It was an original Amor Solo also. It got lost in 1972. So Nikki Coseteng and Madam Imelda Marcos asked the expertise and help of some of our Filipino artists, the like of Roger San Miguel and etc. They created a commission copy of the same, exactly the same picture scenario of that, the one that got lost in 1972 at the Metropolitan Theater. So when you enter, you know Metropolitan Theater in Lawton? So when you enter the Metropolitan Theater, at the main lobby on both sides, you can find those two murals. So we got those two murals and they are now here at the GSIS Museum. So we also have, at the second level, the winners in our annual art competition. So the GSIS annual art competition started in 2004 with two categories. So we had the representational and the non-representational category. Non-representational, below it's abstract. So we started with two categories. So as we move on, in 2010, we added another category, and that's abstract. So if you can notice, when you go down to the lower gallery, you can see only few pieces of sculptures because we only started just recently, 2010, the sculpture category. So there's an agreement between the artists joining the competition and GSIS that all winning entries, first, second, third, automatically will be part of the GSIS collection. So now, the winners of our annual art competition, the winning entries are here at the GSIS since 2004 up to present. So as we move on, probably if you have some question, guys, please try to approach me. I hope I could be able to give justice to your questions. So again, my name is Ricky, and I welcome you here at the GSIS Museum. I hope you will enjoy your stay here.